Are you searching for a dumpster rental in Gastonia, North Carolina? Here's your solution. Discover the convenience of Bowen's Dumpster Services, where we streamline waste management for you. Our service is designed to be reliable, affordable, and accessible, offering hassle-free dumpster rentals tailored to your needs. Our dumpsters are perfect for any project. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, renovating your kitchen, or managing a construction site, we've got you covered. From small cleanouts to large construction jobs, our dumpsters come in a variety of sizes to suit any project. We ensure that no matter the scale, our dumpsters are up to the task. And the best part? Our rentals are affordable and accessible to schedule. At Bowen's Dumpster Services, renting a dumpster is simple. Call us, tell us about your project, and we'll recommend the perfect dumpster size for your needs. Our utmost priority is to ensure your project runs as smoothly as possible, from the moment you schedule your dumpster rental to its timely pickup. We're committed to your satisfaction. Don't wait. Visit www.bowensdumpsterservices.com, or call 704-648-5327, to schedule your dumpster rental today. Let us handle the waste so you can focus on what matters most.